Assalamualaikum and hi guys! In this video, I'll share with you how to read surrounding temperature and humidity using Groove All-in-One Beginner Kit for Arduino. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In this project, we will use Groove All-in-One Beginner Kit for Arduino. This kit includes one Arduino compatible board and 10 additional Arduino sensors and all-in-one piece of PCB design. For this project, we will use the temperature and humidity sensor, buzzer, LED and OLED. Now, let's program it. Open a new sketch on Arduino IDE, go to Tools and choose Manage Libraries. We need to install two libraries. The first one is the DHT sensor library by Adafruit. Click Install All. The second one is U8G2 by Oliver for OLED. Next, copy and paste the sample code that we have shared in our tutorial. Here is where I set condition for the temperature. If the temperature is higher than this value, the LED will light up and the buzzer will alarm. Choose the Arduino Uno board and choose the correct COM port. Then upload the code. In this sample code, you can get the reading of the surrounding temperature and humidity displayed on the OLED. If the temperature is more than 32 Celsius, the buzzer will alarm and the red LED will light up. That's all for today. I'm Suad from Cytron Technologies. Thank you for watching.